Hi, in this video we are going to see the DRDO recruitment notification and the candidates whoever applied for this one, based upon the applications they will directly call for the selection guys. That means direct document verification, no examination fee, no written examination, no online interview, nothing guys. So directly based upon the number of applications they received, based upon the whatever the marks you got in the qualified degree, so based upon that one they are going to directly call you for the certificate verification guys. So I think it will be the wonderful news to the candidates who are having the respective graduation in those departments, okay, whatever the things mentioned in the notification as per the DRDO. So after watching this video, then please share this one to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the job vacancies notification. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon and give me one like for this video guys. Content of the video. So it is the official website of the Ministry of Education, Government of India, National Apprenticeship Training Scheme NATS. So from this website here under the announcement we got this one guys. Notification for the selection of graduate and technician diploma apprentices in Combat Vehicle Research and Development Establishment DRDO Chennai. Last date to apply in NATS portal is 20th July 2021. Okay. So click on this one guys and then you will be directed to the detailed notification regarding this advertisement. And here this advertisement is having the 4 pages are there, so we will see the important details. So invites the online application from eligible graduate or diploma holders in engineering passed during 2019-20 and 2021 hailing from Tamil Nadu for undergoing 1-year apprenticeship training under the Apprenticeship Act 1973. And coming to the graduate apprentices, here the departments are computer science engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, electronics and communication engineering, mechanical, library science, automobile engineering. The number of vacancies are also mentioned here. So the total 31 vacancies are there. And the monthly stipend you will get 9,000 rupees and the duration of training is 1 year. Fine. And next one is the category 2 technician diploma apprentices. So here the disciplines are computer science engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, electronics and communication, instrumentation engineering, mechanical engineering. So the total number of vacancies are 26 are there and the stipend you will get 8,000 rupees per month and the duration of training is 1 year. And next, while coming to the qualifications, minimum educational qualifications for the category 1, a degree in engineering or technology granted by a statutory university in relevant discipline, a degree in engineering or technology granted by an institution empowered to grant such degree by an act of parliament, graduate examination of professional bodies recognized by the state university or central government. That means for category 1, the degree in the engineering or technology is enough. Okay. And while coming to the category 2, that is technician or diploma apprentices, a diploma in engineering or technology granted by the state council, a diploma in engineering or technology granted by the university, or else by institution recognized by the state government or the central government. So for category 2, the diploma in the respective departments is enough. Okay. So here work experience and all these things are not necessary. Why? Because it is apprenticeship jobs guys. So only the graduation in the engineering or technology and the diploma in the engineering or technology, these things are enough. And age limitation will be followed as per the apprenticeship rules. And coming to the reservation of vacancies, guidelines under Apprentice Act on reservation for SC, ST, OBC, PWD will be followed. And minimum physical standards must be maintained guys. The duration of training will be for a period of 1 year as per Apprenticeship Act 1973. And the previous training or the experience, that means candidates who have already undergone or else currently undergoing apprenticeship under this act having 1 year or more experience are not eligible to apply. That means if you are already gone through the apprenticeship or else currently going through, then you should not apply for this one. What is the selection procedure? The Board of Apprenticeship Training is entrusted with the task of preparation of shortlist from the online application data, and the shortlisting of candidates will be done based upon the percentage of marks obtained in the basic prescribed qualification as applicable to the respective disciplines. That means for category 1, BTech is BTech or BE is the main thing in the respective departments. So based upon the number of marks you got, you will be selected. And for category 2, based upon the marks you got in the diploma, you will be selected for the document verification purpose. The shortlisted candidate shall be intimated through their registered email ID. Shortlisted candidates have to appear for the certificate verification at Chennai. Next, procedure for registration and submission of the application. So here, establishment user ID is given. For students who have already enrolled, the students who have not so far enrolled in the national web portal. So if you did not enroll up to now, then you have to do like this, guys. Go to the mhrdnats.gov.in, that means this one only. Okay, and then click on enroll. That means you have to click on this enroll here and then complete the application form. So whatever the, after clicking on the enroll, whatever the application form you are getting, you have to fill up all these things and a unique enrollment number you will get. Okay, so please wait for at least 1 day for enrollment verification and approval, and then you have to go to the next step. That means the next step means here, if you did this step 1 process, then you will be comes under the already registered candidate. Okay, now step 2, you have to log in. That means here the login is there. So first you have to enroll, and then you will get one ID. Based upon that ID, you have to log in. Okay, and next login and establishment request menu, and find the establishment, upload the resume, choose establishment name, and type Combat Vehicles Research and Development, and then search. So click apply and then click apply again. And the TADA will not be provided for attending the certificate verification. No boarding or lodging expenses are admissible. Okay, so yeah, these are things. And while coming to the important dates, 5/7/2021 online application starting, 20th July 2021 last date for enrolling, and last date for applying is 20th July 2021, and the declaration of shortlisted list is 30th July 2021. Verification of the certificates for shortlisted candidates 9th August 2021. Okay, and these are all the details, guys. The list of the shortlisted candidates will be published in this website, doat-srp.com. Okay, I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video, guys. If you are having any query, if you need any clarification, then here the student query @boat-srp.com is there. Whatever the query you may having. Okay, so I am from so and so state, whether I can able to apply for this one or not. Okay, only Chennai residents has to apply. Okay, so what is the procedure? Everything, whatever the doubt you are having, you may put your query to this mail ID, guys. Expecting soon you will get the reply from the board or institute. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the DRDO jobs, apprentice type of jobs. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down guys the different plans. For 1 month 2,900 and for 3 months 2,823 and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge per 1 month, and if you want to get the 6 month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.